The car done slid out the driveway. And the police then came up here at 5. I don't know what time it is, y'all. It's about 5 in the morning. 5:20, something like that. And I heard a knock on the door like, who the heck is it at my door? And I looked out and it's the police officer. I'm like, oh, Lord. Oh, gosh. They gotta have the wrong address. Because we ain't did nothing over here. But then he said, ma'am, I think your car slid out the driveway. And I looked outside. I said, no. The car slid out the driveway. And lo and behold, my son's car, the slid out the driveway. Ain't that some shit? Oh my gosh. Come on, son. Get the car back in the driveway so we can get back in the bed. I got to get up in a few hours to start working. Oh. What is he doing? Is he just going to leave it on the street? Where is he going? He just going to leave the car on the street? Okay. And the crazy thing is, when he came home from work last night, because he had to work late, he said, Mom, I can barely get the car up the driveway. And I know we got like a little hill in the driveway, but I didn't think it would be that steep. Oh, here he comes. But then he said he parked at the bottom of the hill, and it still slid off the driveway. Child, thank the God nobody hit it. Oh, Lord Jesus.